Hey guys, welcome to another video from the digital marketing course. My name is Pritesh Zaveri and I create educational content for learners like you. In this video, we'll cover all about email marketing. By the end of this lesson, you'll have answers to all your burning questions on this subject. For example, what is email marketing? What are the benefits of email marketing? How does email marketing help businesses? What are the steps of email marketing? What are the different etiquettes that you need to follow in email marketing? Is email marketing still effective? What are the best email marketing tools out there? Can you make money from email marketing? How much does it cost to send bulk emails? What is a good email marketing strategy? So let's just dive in. What is email marketing? Email is nothing but a message that you send to the other party using the internet. When you send such a message commercially to either an individual or a group of people, it is known as email marketing. The purpose of email marketing can be different for different people. Some use email marketing to solicit business, generate leads, build brand loyalty, or build brand awareness. Companies also use email marketing to retarget their audience for better reach and lower advertising costs with a better ROI. So a pertinent question arises, how does email marketing benefit businesses? If you are a small business or a startup, the first thing you want is for your audience to know that your brand exists. In short, you need brand awareness. By constantly reaching out to your prospective customers, you can make your brand more visible to your target audience. You can also use email marketing to share details about your products and services. Another benefit for small businesses using email marketing is lead generation. Whether a small business or big, we are working to generate leads and to convert them into paying customers. Adopting an email marketing strategy can help you leverage your leads out there. This even works if you're a freelancer wanting to get out there and make sure that you get those leads for your next project. You can also use social media to amplify your reach. So those are the benefits of email marketing to businesses. Now let us look at what are the different steps of email marketing. Before answering this question, I want to ask you a question. Why do you need email marketing? What is the main objective of using email marketing for your business? Hence, you see, the first step of email marketing is setting a goal. You need to ask a question to yourself whether you want to drive traffic to your website, do you want to generate leads, or you want donation for your non-profit efforts, or you just want to share information like a blog post with your target audience. The next step is to choose the platform you want to use to send out emails. Once you have identified your goal of email marketing, there are plenty of email marketing tools you can choose from. I'll share with you more information about those tools in a few minutes. The third step in email marketing is to build an email list. In short, you want to gather information about the people to whom you want to send out these emails. So the question is, how do you build an email list? There are different ways to do it. For example, you could buy off an entire email list, or you could organically build an email list from scratch. You can build an organic email list by providing value in exchange for their email addresses. I strictly advise you against buying any email list because it will not serve any purpose to your email marketing strategy or your business as a whole. The so-called purchased leads will not engage with your business or your emails. They might even spam you for sending them emails. Worse come worse, they might not be even the right target audience for your business. So let me share with you how you build an email list organically. First things first, look at your current email accounts and find out all the possible people who could be your leads for your products and services. Another way is to add a pop-up form on all your web pages so that you can start collecting these leads. Last but not the least, one of the most traditional ways is that you have met a person and they have exchanged their cards with you. They have agreed to receive information from you, is where you can call them qualified leads. Step number 4, segment your email list. Now you have received a bunch of email addresses who have agreed to receive emails from you from time to time. However, these people could be different from each other compared to their demographics and geography. Hence, it is very important that you segment your email list. For example, you are selling a product that is very specific to the residents of Mumbai. You do not want to send an email to people who live in other cities because it won't be relevant for them. Take special note of those people who engage with you and who don't. If you keep sending emails over time to people who do not engage with you, you might end up having a high bounce rate. Before we go any further ahead, let us talk about what is bounce rate. There are two types of bounces, a soft bounce and a hard bounce. A hard bounce is when you send an email to an address that does not exist, or their server does not accept emails from certain domains like Gmail. On the other hand, a soft bounce is when your email gets rejected for temporary reasons. In such cases, your server tries to keep sending them emails in a gap of every few hours. I would advise you to remove those emails altogether from your email marketing campaign. Coming back to the steps of email marketing, the fifth step is to create an email campaign and create your first email template. Luckily, with all the email marketing platforms today, you do not have to create a template from scratch. There are ready-made email templates available that you can fill and send out in a matter of few minutes. Step number 6 is set up autoresponders. Autoresponder is nothing but another term for marketing automation. They help you to send responses automatically to the customers when they take a specific action. In short, these email responses activate with triggers. For example, as soon as a prospective customer fills up the order form, your platform sends out a thank you for your order email. These autoresponders help build trust and credibility for your brand. Of course, you can also use autoresponders to send invoices and confirmation emails to your customers. The last step in email marketing is analytics. It is crucial to track each email campaign you send to the customers. Sending emails out is not enough. It is crucial to track each email campaign that you send out to your customers. It allows you to refine your email marketing strategy as per your results. Some notable metrics you should keep an eye for are the unique open rate, number of clicks, bounce rate, and the unsubscribe rate. You should aim for higher unique opens and click rates. It shows that your audience engages with your content. Let us now talk about the different email marketing tools out there. Over the years, there are many new marketing trends that came and disappeared. However, nothing beats the good old email marketing. According to research, at least 87% of B2B marketers use email marketing to reach their customers. 77% of B2C marketers use email marketing to nurture their leads. Using the right email marketing provider can boost your chances of success. In short, it can help you to achieve your goals faster. Let us look at some of the email marketing providers you should use for your email marketing strategy. The first one is HubSpot. HubSpot has a free email marketing tool for small businesses. You can use their ready-to-use templates and send just about any email campaign. Use their drag-and-drop email builder to compose appealing emails that can help you with your engagement rate. They also provide you with a free CRM that integrates with your email marketing strategy, which can help you create email lists. The platform also helps you in tracking your email performance over time. MailChimp is one of the top email marketing providers. You must have already heard about it. Their free plan gives you access to basic email marketing features that you can use to send and schedule emails. Use audience insights and optimize emails for your future marketing campaigns. There's something known as the Content Manager feature where you can store all your files and images for future references. MailChimp allows you to take care of your buyer's journey and send relevant emails during the journey from time to time. For example, when someone places an order, they receive an order confirmation email. Similarly, when someone abandons their cart on your website, they get reminders and follow-up emails to complete their purchase. Another very important email marketing tool is GetResponse. In their own words, GetResponse is the world's easiest email marketing platform. If you are a newbie or someone who does not have a good knack of email marketing campaigns, I suggest you start with GetResponse. They have been in this field for the past 20 years. They also provide you email marketing in at least 27 different languages. The platform claims to have an open rate of at least 95%. If you guys want me to create a separate GetResponse tutorial, comment in the section below and I'll be happy to help. Another good email marketing provider is ActiveCampaign. If you're a small or medium-sized business, ActiveCampaign is the right option for you. They have over 150,000 customers worldwide and a dedicated customer support team that can help you in your email marketing strategy. Start with a free trial. Play around with their drag and drop email builder, send emails out, and test your performance. You will have a better idea then if you want to go ahead with this platform or not. Having discussed all of these tools, one question you could ask me, what is the best email marketing tool out there? The answer is there is no best email marketing tool out there. Everything depends on what you're comfortable with, what are your goals, and what are your aspirations with email marketing as a whole. If you're a B2B service provider, then HubSpot is the best option for you. As I mentioned, if you're a small or medium-sized business, you should go for ActiveCampaign. If you're a novice, you want to go ahead with GetResponse. So I suggest you really find out for yourself which is the best email marketing tool out there for you and go ahead with that. If you have been tracking with me so far on this video, you must have heard me use the word marketing automation. What do you mean by marketing automation? Imagine there are so many processes, tasks, and information that go around in a small and medium-sized organization. Marketers cannot sit all day and do these tasks manually. They have to focus on more important and pertinent tasks like marketing strategy. Also, doing this task manually takes a lot of time and it's time consuming and it's not feasible for any business. Send emails on time, perform tasks effectively and faster. Also, marketing automation is a web-based service. It can help you track your email marketing performance. In short, you also do not need any email marketing software. Most importantly, email marketing helps you nurture your leads and show them, guide them towards your products and services and help them make that decision. Let us now explore the different rules in email marketing etiquette. First of all, make sure that you're using visually appealing templates. Use third-party spell check applications like Grammarly to proofread your content before you send them out to your recipients. Next, send marketing emails to only those people who have agreed to receive information from you. Sending emails randomly to people without their consent can lead to higher bounce rate. This is exactly what is known as cold emailing. It can also affect your overall future email deliveries from that email address. Lastly, make sure that every marketing email you send out has a clear call to action. Remember, sending emails to people who have not agreed to receive emails from you is a complete waste of your time and your resources. Do not forget to include an unsubscribe button on all of your marketing emails. Ensure that your recipients can unsubscribe to your emails with one click rather than a loop of processes. Take care of the subject line and do not include words like free, reminder, money. Email servers worldwide are programmed to consider these emails as spam. Do not overuse special characters like exclamation mark all over your emails. Make sure your emails look closer to your brand color and theme. Continue to refresh and audit your contact database every quarter. If you have not communicated with a particular contact for the last 6 months, make sure that you ask for their permission again to send them emails. Let us now quickly talk about email marketing strategy. If you're a startup or a freelancer, setting an email marketing strategy upfront can help you succeed faster. As I've already mentioned, use pop-up forms on your websites to collect leads, as well as use social media to amplify your lead generation process. If you already have a certain set of subscribers and you want to add more email subscribers, you can always do that by creating promotions, discounts, and giveaways. It is a polite way to ask your customers to buy your product or services immediately. You can also use landing pages to build an email list. How to create landing pages and put them on your website? I've already shared that in lesson number 2. I'm going to share a link somewhere up there which you can check out, and let me know if you have any question on that topic. People ask this question, do I need a website for email marketing? No, you do not need a website to use email marketing. You can use your social media networks and engage with your customers. Engage with your customers with valuable newsletters. Ensure that you give them a place to go to after they have done reading your newsletter. For example, you can take them to your LinkedIn page or your Pinterest or Instagram or your Facebook page to know more information about your products and services. There are tons of businesses out there who do not have a website at all. They have done exceedingly well because they have a solid social media presence and a solid email marketing strategy. Pertinent question, can you make money from email marketing? Yes, you can make money from email marketing. For every $1 spent, there's an ROI of $38 as per top email marketing platform providers. Using email marketing, you can sell your products, services, ebooks, workshops, online classes, courses, webinars, and many more. You can also sell products and services of other companies. This is known as affiliate marketing. Guys, if you want me to create a separate course on affiliate marketing, do not forget to mention that on the comment section. I'll be happy to create a separate tutorial on affiliate marketing just for you. You can make more money by rerouting all the people who have abandoned your cart, as I've mentioned, and you can push them to buy your products and services. You can politely send them reminders and follow-up mails to push them and make their purchase. A lot of smart marketers and freelancers create subscription-based emails and make a ton of money out of it. How much does it cost to send bulk emails? Usually people ask this question because they want to send bulk cold emails rather than warm, qualified emails to their supposed leads. Email marketing platforms are very strict on this policy. If you send a bulk of cold emails that generate a high bounce rate, your email account will be suspended. If you're really looking for a cold email service provider, I suggest you look at Gmass, which is from Gmail. Coming back to your question, how many warm emails can you send at once? Well, you can send 2,000 emails per month for free if you're using HubSpot. Beyond that, you have to subscribe to the marketing starter package that costs around $45 per month. Well, that's about it on email marketing. If you liked what you saw, if you liked the video, if you liked the session on email marketing, subscribe to this channel, give it a thumbs up, and hit the notification bell icon. That way you'll never miss a lesson in the future again. What do you think are the best email marketing tools out there? I will wait for your comments in this section below. See you again in the next one. Until then, adios.